Reminder lang po ulit, wala daw pong mag-upload ng kung sino man pang mag-video ngayon dahil may competition pa daw po sila at wala daw pong ibang pwedeng makakita before ng competition. Thank you po.